Welcome to Motorcycle Cruise Controls. We've got quite a bit going on here in March of 2020. We've got the 10 array underway over there. That's the T700. We've got a Kubota sidekick that we're waiting on a connector for. And up in the factory we've got a CF Moto 500 which we've just developed, and Frank's going to test that in just a moment. I wanted to show you the test track we use. If things work here in the driveway, they pretty much are going to work out in the orchard where we do our final testing. And if we swing around here, you can see the slope. And you can see my MT-09 there, which is the development hack that we've used for throttle by wire. I've got a little CRF 250L, which also has cruise, because I can't go anywhere without cruise control. But you can see down there to the street, there's quite a slope. And I'll go down there and take a photo back up the hill in a second, and you can get a sense of how much it climbs. People use our Cruise Control QuadCruise on the flat all the time, but over a ploughed field it is remarkable, and over undulations on these sorts of hills you'll be astonished at just how good it is. I'll move down there and take another shot. So this is the front of our house slash factory where we do the development. That's Oscar's 1200 Explorer Triumph. Then we've got my Nissan Elgrand up in the driveway and Frank's DL650. You can see the sidekick up through the carport, and down there that gives you a better perspective on the sort of rise. And if I come over here, it's pretty much head height at the garage, so it's climbing about 6 feet over, I don't know, how far is that, 30-40 metres maybe, whatever that is in feet. So in a minute you'll see Frank testing the CF Moto for the first time without anything in the way of parameter setup. It's just our best guess, and it'll be interesting to see how it goes. This is the MC Cruise test track that we use for all our ATVs. We drive up into the factory, and that's pretty steep, as you can see. Frank's sitting on the new CF Moto 500. But if we walk out here, we're doing the sidekick as well. If we walk out here, you can see that the driveway is sloping as well and goes all the way down to the street. So if we start here, down in the street in the gutter, we drive it up the driveway. Frank's just backing down at the moment. Is that on cruise? Nearly. Speed got too low. That's on cruise. Hunting a little bit down the hill. We haven't tuned this one yet. Sun's getting low in the sky, so it's a bit grey out there, but I'll just swing around here. So that's where we're going, right up through the carport and into the factory. So you can see it slopes a fair bit, fairly demanding track. So I'll just zoom back out. Okay Frank, when you're ready. That's on cruise already. You saw his right hand drop off. So there's a hill there, barely touches it, speed, and then a sharp climb up into the factory. Pretty bloody good.